Hello guys and welcome to AVK App Reviews. Today I'm gonna show you the overview of screwed ROM for our Nexus 5. So let's check it out. Firstly, I'm gonna show you the Android version provided by this ROM. As you can see, there is a screwed logo inside the about phone setting, and the version provided by this ROM is 5.0.2 as you can see. Now I'm running the stock kernel that comes with this ROM, and I am running the latest build which is released on 7th of Jan 2015. As you can see, the build date is Jan 7 2015. Now the customization provided by this ROM can be seen on the setting menu called screwed setting. There are tons of customization options available on this ROM. As you can see, the first option is user interface. Inside this option there are tons of customization available. The first one is quick setting, means you can enable the quick pull down from right hand side, and you can enable the auto close panel, means the panel will close automatically. Then vibrate on touch, you can enable the touch vibration whenever you click on the quick toggles. Second is status bar. Inside that there is clock and date, means you can change the alignment of clocks to the side, right clock or center clock. You can change the font style of the clock. I have kept it on condensed font. You can keep it on light italic, normal or bold. Then you can enable the date font can be changed. Then you can change the date style, it is uppercase or lowercase. Then you can change the date format into different format as given in this ROM. Then you can also customize the date color, which color you want. Then next is you can enable the network traffic inside the status bar, means you can enable the incoming or outgoing network speed on status bar. Then next is brightness control. You can enable the brightness control slider on status bar by moving the finger left or right. Then double tap to sleep. You can enable the double tap to sleep feature by double tapping on the status bar. Then green ticker, you can enable that to see the ticker of notifications. Next is battery. You can change the battery styles. As I have kept it on circle, there are 5 styles: icon, portrait, icon, landscape, circle, text and hidden. Then next is show battery percentage. You can keep it hidden or keep it inside the icon or next to icon. I have kept it inside of icon. Then you can enable the battery bar on status bar, and you can customize the color of the battery bar and alignment. Then next is display and animation. You can change the list view animation of the system. As you can see, I have kept it on default, but you can change that animation from these options. Then next is navigation bar. You can change the navigation bar height. I have kept it on 42, the default is 48, so you can see my navigation bar is smaller as compared to other. Then you can adjust the width of navigation bar. Then you can enable the left-handed mode, means whenever your phone is turned to landscape mode, for left-handers the navigation bar will be on left hand side, so it will be easy for them to handle the phone. Then next is double tap on navigation bar to sleep. This is the most important feature I like on this ROM. It is easy to approach and easy to sleep your device by double tapping on a navigation bar. I have enabled it, as you can see. Then next is toast animation. You can enable toast animation from this much of options. I have kept it on default. Then next is gesture anywhere. This is the new feature we can see on this ROM. Once we enable this, you can see there is a screen on left hand side. Whenever you place the screen, the option comes out. You can enable any gestures on the screen to open your apps. This can be useful feature for some of them, but I don't use it, so I have kept it off. You can customize a gesture as per your requirement, and you can keep any app inside a gesture. Then next is app circle bar. Inside this, whenever you enable this, the app circle bar comes on right hand side. As you can see, the bar comes on right hand side, and you can scroll through apps like this. It's a very cool feature this ROM has. You can enable the width of that bar, and you can enable the you can change the apps that are included inside that bar. So it's also a good feature provided by this ROM. Then under the customer menu, the next option is system. You can change the system priorities from this customization. First one is ad blocker. You can enable the ad blocker to disable ads. As you can see, I have enabled it. Next is LCD density. You can vary your screen's LCD density as per your requirement. I have kept it to stop. Then next is system tweaks. You can enable lots of system tweaks inside this setting. As you can see, there are tons of options inside that. Replying apps, fix permission, enable scat still, enable a clear cache, enable schedule tasks, enable ST boots, enable touch tweak, enable battery tweaks. There are tons of tweaks available. You can enable as per your requirement. That's a good feature I like about this ROM. Then next custom ROM provide is notifications. As you can see, you can enable notification count. You can change the light of the notification as per your requirement. You can use custom values of color for the notifications. The next is battery light. You can enable the battery light for your Nexus 5. As you can see, there are 3 types: battery low for red, charging for yellow, and fully charged for green. Then next is mesh settings. In this, there is a clear all button. You can enable or disable it. Then where you do want the clear all button: top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left. Then next is show search bar in recent, means you can enable the search bar in the recent menu. Then kill back app button means you can enable the killing of the current application by pressing the by holding the back button for 1 or 2 seconds. It can kill the current application. Then next is disable immersive mode message, means you can disable the immersive mode message that pop-ups whenever you play a full screen game or full screen app. That can be disabled through this menu. So as you can, there are tons of customization available, and also there is ambient display feature available inside display setting. As you can see, ambient display, and you can change the default timeout of the ambient display. So this ROM is very good in terms of customization. But talking about battery life, as this ROM provides more customization, the battery life is less as compared to other ROMs. I have seen battery life of about half day or near to full day with a screen on time of 3 hours or 2.5 hours. Currently my screen on time, as you can see, I have charged my battery on 11 PM and it is 65% charge, and my screen on time is 1 hour and 11 minutes. So I will get around 2.5 hours or 3 hours of screen on time. So it is less as compared to other ROM. But the customization provided by this ROM is very good. I like this ROM about the customization. So I will recommend this ROM for the geeks who like to customize their phone very good. But for the battery life, this ROM is not good as compared to other ROMs. So thank you for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel and suggest any ROM you want to be reviewed by me. Thank you.